Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
VidMassive review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called VidMassive. So this is the VidMassive review, and right now on the sales page it says here not secure. Okay, so connection is not secure. They don't have SSL on their website, and it says hot new software with resale rights, early bird special. Create videos in bulk by doing almost nothing. Create videos in bulk with just a couple of clicks with a software that you can also sell to your customers. Introducing VidMassive, a powerful all-in-one software. And you can see the screenshot. So this is a Windows based software, which means you have to install the .exe file on your computer and then install the software, I guess, and this and that. And this is a sample clip which you can create using the software as if it's a big deal, but it's a big deal for you. So go and get this if you want to. I can do this all day long from my computer, okay, from a laptop. So 15-second short clip. It's like zooming in, and you can find these videos on pexels.com anyway. So yeah, simple video with this and that. What all I am trying to say here is that do not buy, okay? Right, FAQs, is the software for WordPress? No, it's for Windows. You have to install this. Are you the software developer? They're saying yes. Do you have a money back guarantee? 15 days for technical reasons only, which means that no refund. Can I order a white label copy? Yes, you can. Okay. Now, why am I saying don't buy this? Because we have our inbuilt video editing software in every computer if you're using Windows 10, 11. In my case, I have this Photos Legacy. You have to install this app from the Microsoft App Store and click on this app and you will see my projects. You know, I have been making these YouTube videos. So I can maybe delete these ones, select all, and then delete them. And delete them and delete them, delete them. Video editor, come here and delete them. And let's start a new project, just for example. So click on new project, name your project, for example, maybe demo, and okay. And then you click on these add boxes and you add some pictures and videos, and then drag those pictures into the storyboard here. And then you can go to custom audio, you know, and have your background music, this and that. Okay, normally I don't show any of this here in my videos what to do, because you have to figure this out. You have to go and learn everything. Okay, so you can do all the video editing free from your Windows computer, or if you're using Apple computer, in Apple you have iMovies, I guess. Okay, so you can edit everything from iMovies, or else you can find a lot of free software on the internet using Google research. Okay, so no need to buy this. This will help you with something, but you need not to get that help. Okay, so do we need the software? Of course we don't need it. And when it comes to making videos, it's a lot more than a software. Okay, because when I am recording this YouTube video, the soul of this video is my voice, and you are listening to me. Okay, I can decide to come up on the camera as well because I am making a YouTube video, right? So even though you have to be original, and I don't know what project you will be working on, you're going to make some YouTube videos or some maybe promotional videos. But you understand that video is not only about adding some images and some text over that. That's the most pathetic video ever, I would say. But yes, video means soul has to be your energy, your passion, your voice, and your dada. Yeah, dada. As if that's the word. Anyways, so I mean the software cannot do these things. You know, you have to make mistakes as a human, and that makes you a human if you make mistakes. Okay, if you're perfect, then you're a machine. And what else do we have? So do not buy. I'm done with the review here. And if you want to make money with videos, you have to go manual. Manual means that you will have to come and talk like me. If not like me, then maybe in your own style. Okay. Oh, I have done your review, Venkatesh. Anyways, so his review was done. I have done this Code Hub review you see here. So I was finished with Code Hub, and this is my next one. So what do we have here? We have this traffic Jarvis. Okay, so if you want to make money by making videos, YouTube videos like me, then you can go below my video and check out this traffic Jarvis. This traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing by making these review videos, and also this will help you to get your YouTube channel monetized, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only. and then you follow everything and you work manually and come on YouTube, make videos, eventually until you get sales. Okay, so yeah, if you want to do affiliate marketing, go and get Traffic Jarvis. And if you want to make money on autopilot, then check out the first link below the video. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Forex trading is like currency pair, Euro USD, GBP USD. You sell currency at high price and you buy it at low price. Okay, so we will help you to set up all the system. As you can see here, this is my virtual computer on which we have this graph. We will also be installing a software which I personally use, and you can see some profits here. 292 almost $300 in last 7-8 days. Okay, so we will help you to set up all this on your virtual computer if you follow this training, right? So click on the first link here, come on this page, enter your email address, enter your name, click on unlock the syndicate, then go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the syndicate main page. Watch the video, take action. If you don't take action, ta-da. Real proof is right here. This is my real account. You can see and how much I have made. Let me check how much I have made. I have made around $342. Okay, out of 342, I have withdrawn 220 already, and my available balance right now is 796. So I will be adding maybe more balance in the future. This is only to show you that it works, and you can see here all the numbers are green right now, 00, because today the market is closed. Okay, so I will be doing trading from 3rd of January now, because it has been New Year all this time, holidays and all that crap. Okay, I don't like holidays when it comes to making money. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll be making more profits again, and this year is going to be bang, bang, bang. 2023 is going to be bang for me at least. Okay, so what do we have? We have the software. It's only one. I guess there's no upsells here. Okay, so $12, not much, but don't buy. You don't have a need. Okay, no need to buy this. The software comes within a computer. Go and learn how to be technical. Otherwise, you are not made for making money with videos. If you want to make money with videos, you need to learn how to make your videos and how to edit them on your own. Okay. So what is the name here? Thingy, VidMassive, not required. Don't buy this. If you want to make money online, you have a couple of options below my video. First is on autopilot forex trading. It's not that everybody does forex trading. It's only for people who are either experts and they do it manually, or you do exactly how I teach you inside this training syndicate, and the job will be done by the software only. Software will be buying and selling and buying and selling, and you will be only collecting profits. But you will have to go through this training to set up everything step by step. Learning is required. You will have to learn what I have to teach you inside the training. If you can't follow instructions, out. Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money manually with this thingy called affiliate marketing. Okay, in the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, click on super thanks. However, subscribe is free, like is free, do all of that, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail now. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training, and this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for traffic jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.